It's Mama's. Take a milk?
No.
No?
I know.
I know. Oh no! Did your milk drop? Go shake it.
Yeah.
Yeah, shake it. Good job. Thank you, Bubba. Who is that?
Hello.
Can you count to 10?
Hello.
Hello.
I got.
All done? All done? All right, we gotta put your jacket on.
No.
Yeah, he needs a jacket. Wow.
That's really cool, actually.
Why don't we do that since we're gonna be out there anyways?
Okay, let's do that. Since we'll be out there.
I'm recording. Can't see us, thank gosh! Get it out! Alright you guys, so I'm going to be sharing with you what I ate for lunch today. So I'm doing the viral TikTok wrap hack where you cut like basically a fourth of it, like up to the half, just on one side and then fold it up. So on 1/4 of it, I'm using this vegan pesto that I got from Trader Joe's. Any pesto would work. I just really prefer this one. And then I went ahead and added 2 slices of turkey to each one of the wraps. I was making one for Scott as well. And then cheese. The placement of the turkey and cheese is the placement or the part that's going to be on the actual stove. So it's super important. I gave some cheese to Winnie as well. And then I placed some spinach on the other portion of it. But yeah, basically I want the turkey and the cheese to get warm. So I placed it on the right side of the wrap. So the way I fold it, it will be in the direct contact with the pan. Then I topped it with some sun-dried tomatoes on my pesto. This is so freaking good. And then you'll see the way I just fold it into quarters. And as you can see, the cheese is at the bottom and the turkey is on the top because I want to make sure my turkey is not cold, but my wrap gets nice and crispy. So I went ahead and did the same thing, just folded it up again into 4 little quadrants. Then I took some olive oil, spray olive oil, and on a very hot nonstick pan, rubbed the oil in and placed both of the wraps in there. I started it pretty high just to make sure I got a good crisp, and then I lowered it to a medium to make sure that everything got warm throughout, and flipped it when it was getting golden brown. Then to go with the wraps, I chopped up 2 bell peppers for Scott and I and placed those on the plate. And I added a little bit of hummus. This is the 3-layer hummus dip from Trader Joe's. Added about a serving of that to the plate to dip the peppers in. And then once my wrap was completely warmed throughout, the cheese was melted, I went ahead and plated those up. This is so good, you guys. If you have not tried this, you need to. But again, make sure that you place the stuff on the outside that you want to warm through. All right, y'all, it is snack time. I get insanely hungry when I'm making Arlo's dinner and before we actually eat our dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make myself a quick little snack while I make dinner. So I'm gonna have a yogurt, one of these Oikos Greek yogurts. I'm gonna have some apple because Arlo will probably eat some as well. I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea. So this is my snack. I love this yogurt. It's 15 grams protein. Awesome. I got it in strawberry. About 3/4 of the apple and then some green tea. I know this has caffeine in it, but green tea caffeine doesn't really affect me too much. So this is what my snack is while I get ready for dinner. Okay, what you doing?
So I just made some rice here. And when you make fried rice, you want to kind of dry it out a little bit, have it a little bit crunchy. This is, what kind of rice is this? Like
Basmati, I think. Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was jasmine, but all good. Same kind of process. Oops. So that's how we did it at 560. We would actually lay out the leftover rice overnight, so it gets crunchy because it absorbs more flavor when you fry it.
Oh, I didn't know
If you try
that.
to make fried rice with fully cooked rice, it can overcook the rice. Doesn't soak up as much flavor.
Yeah, it's not crunchy. You're right. I like crunchy fried rice.
Mm-hmm. So anyways, I'm gonna lay this out till tonight.
Cool, dude. Cool. Hello, Maxwell. Hello, Maxwell.
All right. So, making some shrimp, blackening seasoning, some butter, olive oil. I'm about to put the butter in. Start cooking. And then there's going to be some basil and lemon going on there. And then we're going to do some fried rice over here. Cauliflower, carrot, garlic, onion. And this is chicken sausage, but I like Chinese sausage. It's like a sweet, delicious.
And peace.
Oh yeah, peace.